Good day, everyone. I am Jasmine Timbal, and today, mag-present ko og one of the important parts sa among system. Nga kay Clinic Management System dash sa Receptionist dashboard. So, ang interface niya is i-create siya using Java Abstract Window Toolkit, which is one of the all these libraries sa Java for building graphical user interfaces. So, ang goal na kondigi sa demo is para maipakita ang design o ang layout sa receptionist module, which will later be connected to the backend and the database. So, kanina stage is mag-focus lang ko on how the receptionist will interact with the system in a simple and organized way. So, when I run the program, na ay window na mo appear. So, na siya ngalan na ang window is ngalan na Clinic Management System dash Receptionist dashboard. So, ang window is na-divided siya into two major parts. So, a sidebar on the left na which contains the navigation options and a main workspace on the right which nag-shows siya og mga forms sa appointment creation and payment recording. So, ang kanina mga design is nag-use siya og panels, labels, text fields, buttons, and drop-down choices. So, tanan is out components siya. And then, so let's start with the sidebar. So here is nag-added ko og three navigation buttons. I create appointment, record payments, and log out. So kanina idea is the receptionist can easily click between this function. So first sa karon is kanina button is dili siya mag-switch of views kay this is just the design stage. So pag sa sunod kung makonect na siya sa na-share ka ng backend logic and makonect sa database is dahil na siya magkuan na share functionalities. So create appointment will open the appointment form. And this record payment is open niya ang payment section. And then log out will close the station of the receptionist. So now let's look at the right side, which is the appointment creation form. So kanina section is gi-allow ang receptionist na mag-enter og appointment details. So nag-include ko og mga following fields. So patient name. So kung asa receptionist maka-type og full name of the patient. Doctor. So this is a drop-down. Choice component and out. So ang receptionist maka-select og doctor na mag-handle sa appointment. Date. A text field for the receptionist mag-enter og appointment date. And time. A text field for the appointment time. So at the bottom of this form ay button na called Save Appointment. Pero right now, it's just a placeholder lang siya na button for design purposes. But pero pag nana siya back-end logic and makolekta siya sa database, pag i-click din natin yung button, then ang katong mga patient appointment is ma-store na din siya sa system. So, next is below the appointment form, nag-design ko og payment recording section. So, kanisa is important ni siya sa receptionist kay dili raman isa ang dili raman isa ang kanang gina-schedules na patients ay dili lang man kanang schedule lang ay kuan sa reception sa patients but also mag-handle sila o kanang billing transactions. So in this form, nag-include og two input fields. Patient ID para ma-identify kung kinsa na patient ang mag payment. And then payment amount where kung asa receptionist maka-input og pilang ang ibayad. So there is also a green button labeled record payment. So just like the appointment section, so kaning button is not yet save data. But Later on, it will update the patient payment status in the database if makonect na siya. So to build this design, I use several Java out components such as frame, this, to create the main window, panel, to organize different parts of the interface, kind of like the sidebar and forms, and label to display na siya display ang descriptions and text field for user input such as names, dates, and payment amounts, and choice for drop-down menus such as ganina pag-select sa doctor, and button for navigation and submitting form. So using out, I manually position each kind of component and set their sizes and colors to make the design user-friendly. So to summarize, this receptionist dashboard is a design siya to make a receptionist work easier by providing uh, quick navigation using the sidebar, form para maka-create of appointments, section para maka-record of payments. So at this point, ang program is nag-show lang siya of design and layout. But in the next stage, so I will connect it with the back-end logic and database para kanang akong gi-input o kanang mga action kay ma-stored siya and ma-process properly. So overall, kanina mo siya, important yun siya because the receptionist serves as the first point of contact for patients in a clinic, and the dashboard needs og simple, fast, and reliable. So that concludes my demonstration sa receptionist dashboard na nag-use og Java out. So thank you for your time and attention.